I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it.
First thing we did was we shampooed and blow dried the girl's hair. And so here's your hair. And so her hair was cut short here and it's already been bleached. And turn around.
So you're not gonna re-bleach your hair?
So for her, I am going to do a 30 volume developer, and she is going to be getting this Ion Color Brilliance Brights in Hottie Pink, semi-permanent, and then also I'm going to do a Rose Quartz for good shading, and then also on the blonder pieces, Snow Cap. Quick white. And then I've got petroleum jelly, so sure her skin doesn't dye. And then I'll also be cutting her hair. I also have a mixing bowl, a brush. Rat tail combs are the best to use. And I also have 2 paddles. This one is for her length of hair. And then for this diva over here, we've got the longer one. For Jasmine, turn around. So Jasmine's hair has been dyed multiple times. And last time she wanted me to dye her hair, she wanted me to put red in it. So she's got a lot of red in her hair. So I will be definitely pulling some of that out. So I'll be using this. And then we're going to be dyeing her hair this sky blue. And she'll be getting a number 40 developer. And I'm using a toning shampoo and conditioner with argan oil in it. So I'm going to go ahead and start processing Jasmine's hair. So Jasmine's hair we're going to be doing about from here down will be the blue, and then I'll be incorporating a few highlights in her hair in the top, like about here, just to blend it all in and make it look really, really pretty. And then while her hair is processing, then I'll be cutting Emily's hair.
Like to the back part? Like, so there's a back that's like shorter. Are you gonna make that even?
Yes.
Cool. Because that is weird.
Yeah, that's because your natural hair grew long.
Yeah, and I had it like.
I mean, your
buzzed.
undyed hair. Yeah, her hair used to be buzzed short on the sides, like a mohawk practically.
And I haven't gotten it dyed since, so it's just kind of normal.
Yeah.
We haven't gotten it cut. We haven't gotten our hair cut or dyed since the beginning of the school year.
Yes.
Yeah.
Also, guys, don't mind the background. We're doing some construction in this room. So, all right, let's go ahead and get started. And for those of you who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Joanne. I forgot to introduce myself, and I am their stepmom. And Jasmine and Emily are twins. 15-year-old twins. So. The higher the number, the more it'll bleach. next, I rinsed the bleach out, so now I'm just going to do some purple shampoo real quick.
On only one strand, right? No.
Yeah, I'm only doing this side because this side over here is still processing. But I didn't want to fry your hair, so
Okay.
this is what we're doing.
Alright.
So as you guys can see, her hair went from that to that. That's a good difference. And her hair is got like some pinkish tones in it from when it was previously dyed. When I've dyed her hair probably, I don't know, 10 times in the past few years.
A little bit less.
A little bit less? I don't know, like it seems like I've dyed your hair like 10 times.
I've had it dyed a lot, yeah.
But you can see the pink in there.
My second time having my hair dyed blue. Don't put it on my face. Just put it on the hair.
Alright, so there's that, and then I'm going to go ahead and put some conditioner in it. And yes, I should be wearing another glove, but I can't find my other glove. Very pretty, very nice. Alright, so I'm just going to let that sit with some conditioner on it. And now I'm going to start working on this hair up here. You can sit up now. Well, let me just check this real quick. You can put your head up.
Did you like? No?
Oh, it's ready.
Already?
Yep.
Oh, great.
This stuff is fast. I used the 40 on you. The 40 is fast.
Okay. Feel like it's fine.
Well, let me check this one too. Feel how hot this is. Put your hand on that.
Wow. Wait, I felt the other one too. Oh,
Pretty
this
cool,
picture,
huh?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
That's okay.
I don't want to ruin her hair. Okay, lean back. Here, you want this? Yeah. Fix it how you need it.
So I already did one round of bleaching on Emily's hair. And so now I'm gonna do another round of bleaching, only this time I'm gonna be doing more on her roots. Put your head back. So I'll be taking her roots from this to that. Emily is next. Dun dun dun! Are you excited to have pink hair?
Yes.
Do you love your hair? It's cute. Put your head underneath the light so everyone can see how cool it is. You'll look so cute. I love it. Turned out so good. So funny because last time Emily's hair turned out really well and yours didn't. And now both y'all's turned out really good.
Well,
Put your head closer to the light.
It has been a year since we like actually dyed our hair again. So.
Her hair is like neon.
I love it.
It's amazing. Look at that blue. It's awesome. Love. Turn your head.
Yeah.
Oh, so pretty. I love it. So pretty. All right, let me take your picture now.